Why did I look stressed out already in the morning? You will find out later. Welcome back to the last episode of this ferry flight. After an overnight stay here in Malawi, we were on our way to the airport and ready to fly to our last country of this trip.
Good morning, guys. We are here now in Lilongwe, Malawi, and
Today we are flying to South Africa.
today is official the day where we go to South Africa, and yeah, we are fueled up now, waiting for our flight plan, and can't wait to see our final country.
Yeah, it's gonna be nice.
Absolutely. Okay, then let's go.
See you in South Africa.
And QNH 1029er and runway 28, Oscar Echo Foxtrot Golf Zulu, and startup is approved.
Runway news is 14.
Correction, 14, sorry, Oscar Echo Foxtrot Golf Zulu. Glow indication is off, left side is clear. RPM in the 710 plus minus 30 and oil pressure in the green. Right hand engine master switch on. Glow indication is off, right side is clear. Oscar Echo Foxtrot Golf Zulu, ready to taxi.
Foxtrot Golf Zulu, taxi to order point, runway 14 via Bravo 1, Bravo 2, enter backtrack runway 14.
Bravo 1, Bravo 2 and backtrack 14, lining up runway 14, Oscar Golf Zulu.
Yeah, and we just stop at the holding point for the test. Okay.
Exactly. Taxi light on. Parking brake is released. We are clear of any traffic and people.
Yeah.
Okay, and let's go. Airspeed is showing 0. QNH 1029er showing correct altitude. Compass heading is also checked.
We have no clearance yet, right?
No clearance yet.
Okay.
Get from Kamuzu to Polokwane via Lima 437, climb to admitted level 140, Aleppo runway 14, right hand, Skok 3052.
Go Foxtrot Golf Zulu is clear to Polokwane, Lima 437, climbing level 140, right turn to Aleppo after departure, 3052 in the box, Oscar Zulu.
Golf Zulu, read box correct, teleport ready.
Call you ready, Oscar Zulu.
Rotate. Positive rate, brakes, gear up. Aiming for 90 knots. Acceleration and speed checked, flaps up, aiming for 100 knots.
And you can do the right
and
turn.
right turn. And Lilong approach, good day, Oscar Echo Foxtrot Golf Zulu. 4,500 climbing flight level 140 to Aleppo.
Golf Zulu, Lilongwe identified on departure, leaving 4,800 feet, climb 140, direct Aleppo.
Climbing 14,000 feet to Aleppo, Oscar Golf Zulu. Okay, climb checks, landing taxi. Pump 1. 2 pumps off, flaps up, gears up. I'm gonna do now nav, flight level change. Gonna climb with 110 knots, and then autopilot. GPS autopilot, yaw tempo, flight level change 110. Checklist. Gear are checked up, flaps are up, fuel pumps are off. And climb power set, alternate air is as required, landing light off. Climb checklist completed.
And that was Lilong.
That was Lilong.
See ya, Lilong.
So, next destination, South Africa.
Yeah, hopefully.
Hopefully.
After takeoff from Kamuzu International Airport, which is the oldest airport in Malawi, we had a great view over the city of Lilong. Leaving Malawi behind, we overflew Mozambique, which gave us clear skies to enjoy the beautiful nature below. When entering Zimbabwe's airspace, a cloud layer started blocking the view, and since there was nothing to see, it was time to explain why I looked stressed in the morning.
Harare info, good day, Oscar Echo Foxtrot Golf Zulu. 15 nautical miles out from Victor Hotel Alpha. Next, Victor Mike Victor, estimated time 1019er.
Oscar Echo Foxtrot Golf Zulu, reported traffic flight level 140, report Victor Mike Victor.
Flight level 140 and reporting over Victor Mike Victor. And Oscar Echo Foxtrot Golf Zulu with a request.
Ready to copy.
Oscar Echo Foxtrot Golf Zulu requesting for direct Utuli if possible. Oscar Golf Zulu.
Oscar Golf Zulu, route direct to Utuli, report beam Victor Mike Victor.
Direct to Utuli and reporting beam of Victor Mike Victor. Thank you, Oscar Golf Zulu. So, very good. Let's hope that that saved us some fuel again, because we need that fuel. Exactly. Got some news this morning. Yeah, so in the morning, Ahmed, you should have seen my face when you texted me. Call me when you're awake. Apparently, to the Polokwane where we are flying now, there is no fuel available. The good thing is that we have some tailwinds here, and the next flight, the last one, down to Wonderboom, is only a 43 minutes flight.
Oscar Echo Foxtrot Golf Zulu, if negative comes at Utuli to contact Johannesburg at 134.4.
If negative, will contact 134.4, Oscar Golf Zulu. So yeah, and since the next flight only is about 50 minutes, let's say, we said, okay, with that winds today, we are able to fly to Polokwane, not to refuel, and then continue the next day with the fuel we have left to Wonderboom. So our personal limit right now here is 30 gallons on landing, because if we fly 1 hour we need about 13 gallons. So let's round it up to 15. 15 gallons, and with 1 hour of endurance then also 15, so 30 gallons minimum is our thing now. And right now we have 34. Again, as already shown yesterday, the fuel capacity of the DA62, we are very lucky that we can do this, and with the efficient engines. Exactly. Otherwise we would have had some problems. We could also reduce the power even more. Exactly. If that would be the problem. Yeah. But we have 65% right now, which gives us 34 gallons. So that was, again, a fun thing in the morning. Yeah, always something, right? Yeah. And right now we are over Zimbabwe. Sadly we cannot see that much. We are now approximately 240 nautical miles from South Africa. Exactly. So we're coming closer, mate. Yeah, that's probably the next update that we'll give you in South Africa, right? In South Africa, in the descent. Let's go. See you then. Let's make a cut to the final country, not the final destination, but the final country. Exactly. So, cut. So yeah, we are in South African airspace. Yeah, finally. Final country. And we made it very good with the fuel. We have now 36 gallons remaining on landing, as it looks like. And if it would have been the situation that we really need some fuel, I mean, they have fuel at the other airport, which is not so far away. Oh. It would actually be a 1 minute flight. We still would have time tomorrow to reposition the fuel from there, or just even go there, the hop, fuel it up and go to Wonderboom.
Foxtrot Golf Zulu, radar service terminate, contact Polokwane 119.75. Safe landing, sir.
Thank you, and contacting 119.75. Oscar Golf Zulu, bye bye. Polokwane Tower, Oscar Echo Foxtrot Golf Zulu, 8,900 feet, descending down to 8,000.
Oscar Echo Foxtrot Golf Zulu, QNH 10132, clearing Mount Papa Victor 8,000 feet, report to 25 at DME with ground in sight for the visual approach. Say number on board, fuel engine.
And QNH 1032, to cleared for the 8,000 feet to Papa Victor. We'll report the position of 25 DME from Papa Victor. 2 persons aboard and endurance is 5 hours. Oscar Golf Zulu. 6 hours, correction.
I have to correct myself here. The endurance shown on a G1000 was the one with the current power setting, which was 25% at that moment. So the correct answer would have been 3.5 hours with a normal power setting.
The Oscar Echo Foxtrot Golf Zulu, currently 15 nautical miles north of 12 nautical miles north of Papa Victor, and requesting for further descent.
Foxtrot Golf Zulu, confirm ground inside.
Ground is inside, Oscar Golf Zulu.
Foxtrot Golf Zulu, cleared for the left visual approach runway 05 to leave 6,500 feet established on the left base runway 05.
We flew the left-hand visual approach for runway 05. And as Lewis landed the DA62, we had reached our final country.
Welcome to South Africa, Mika.
Thank you. Guys, you have to appreciate it. We both have our diamond socks. Louis got them, I have them.
Customs was quicker than we thought, which made us very happy because now we were able to have a relaxing afternoon in the hotel.
So Louis, we made it to Polokwane and we are now, first of all, South Africa.
South Africa, that's a huge step.
That's a huge step.
Into the good
A small step for us, a huge step for Diamond.
No. A small step for human mankind.
Yeah, big for us.
Big for us.
And now the next step will be waiting for our car. Yeah.
That's also part of the trip.
Yeah.
Always waiting for the car.
So we are finally in South Africa.
Yeah.
Yes!
The next day was the final day. On the way to the airport, the excitement level was already very high. One reason for that was that we decided to fly low-level VFR for the last leg to enjoy the view.
Luigi! Let us just brief that, okay?
Yeah.
So we have now runway 23, yeah?
Yeah.
So we're gonna fly out and then we're gonna fly straight ahead to avoid this nature reservoir, yeah? And then we go here, yeah? Just to avoid them.
Exactly.
Okay? And I sent it to the panel also, again. Activate. How does this look? Exactly as we need it, okay?
Yeah.
Perfect.
So we're expecting a left turn after the departure, and then just fly
first
via
we'll do the runway heading and then
Exactly.
Okay.
Okay. Oscar Echo Foxtrot Golf Zulu, ready to taxi.
Oscar Echo Foxtrot Golf Zulu, taxi Echo Holding Point, correction, taxi Bravo, Charlie, Delta, cross runway 0119, Delta Holding Point, runway 23, squawk 4076.
Bravo Charlie Delta crossing runway 01, Delta to holding point 23 and squawking 4074, Oscar Echo Foxtrot Golf Zulu.
Oscar Echo Foxtrot Golf Zulu, squawk 4076.
4076, Oscar Golf Zulu. Taxi light on, parking brake is released, we're clear of any traffic, and we roll.
It's the last leg!
Yeah. Don't want to jinx anything though. We'll just do step by step here. Flying VFR today, so that is cool. That is really cool.
Take off Polokwane! In case you're wondering how I sync everything when I edit, this is how I do it.
This guy has been screaming for the whole trip.
And I'm sorry, Louis. I tried to clean the windshield, but I failed significantly.
Yeah, I see that.
Hello, people! I love that. Everyone is so friendly here, huh?
Yeah, it's crazy.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
Like, seriously, every
it doesn't matter which airport stuff, they were all so friendly. Everybody smiling, waving.
Yeah.
Really makes a difference, right?
Yeah.
And Oscar Echo Foxtrot Golf Zulu, we are able to take the Delta 3 intersection if possible.
Delta Golf Zulu, affirm, sir.
Okay. And Oscar Echo Foxtrot Golf Zulu, we are ready for departure.
Okay, I will be your navigator on this flight, okay?
Exactly, yeah.
Flying VFR in South Africa for the first time. Yeah. Yeah.
Takeoff power is set. And we go. Airspeed is alive. 50 is cross-checked 2 times. Rotate. Positive rate, brakes. Gear up.
I'm proud of you, son.
Acceleration. 95% power. Speed check, gear up.
So my radius from now on?
Yeah.
Okay. And Oscar Echo Foxtrot Golf Zulu, can we fly this heading for about 15 nautical miles? Is that okay for you? Until the border of the CTR?
Echo Foxtrot Golf Zulu, copy, sir. And maintain 5,500 feet.
Thank you very much. I'm maintaining 55 and reaching Oscar Golf Zulu. Thank you.
Wow.
This is amazing, huh? This is cool. Okay, on the left you actually have nature reservoirs.
Yeah, we see also birds.
Wow!
Runway 23, report passing 7,000.
What was that?
I don't know, but it was big.
6,000.
It's a different game flying at 5,500
In South Africa.
in South Africa. Jesus.
Anyone telling us why you do this? Why don't you want to fly big aircraft? Here you have it. What's that? Stand by.
And we're so far from home.
We are. Low level traffic, this is Oscar Echo Foxtrot Golf Zulu, it's a Delta Alpha 62. We are maintaining 4,500 and currently 25 miles north of Wonderboom, now turning left direct to Wonderboom. Oscar Golf Zulu.
Yeah.
Your airplane again?
My airplane.
Yeah, maintain 45. My ATC, and I'm gonna contact Wonderboom. You ready?
I'm ready.
Wonderboom Tower, Oscar Echo Foxtrot Golf Zulu. Good morning. We are 25 miles north from the field and routing direct to November.
Let's go to Wonderboom Tower again, the call sign.
That was Oscar Echo Foxtrot Golf Zulu, maintaining 4,500, 25 nautical miles north from the airfield, routing to November for landing.
Oscar Echo Foxtrot Golf Zulu. Call back 10 miles to the north of Wonderboom for joining QNH 1030. Continue broadcasting 124.8 and 1244.
Continuing broadcasting 24.8 and call you 10 miles north of Wonderboom, QNH 1030, Oscar Zulu.
And Oscar Echo Foxtrot Golf Zulu. The frequency for GF number 1 as well is 124.40.
Say again, the frequency for what?
That's GF number 1, 124.40.
Will we need that frequency?
Oh, definitely. If you're coming from the north, you need that frequency. You'll be going through GF number 1. And I see there are already 5 operating at the general flying area number 1.
That's the ground to flight level 100, correct?
Hey,
Is that a radio frequency where you just broadcast or a controlled one?
You broadcast there, you just broadcast your position, and the others will also broadcast their position in turn.
Super, then call you 10 miles north, Oscar Golf Zulu.
Oscar Golf Zulu.
Training area traffic, this is Oscar Echo Foxtrot Golf Zulu. We are 5 miles north from the area, maintaining 4,500 and routing direct to November.
The airspace around Wonderboom was very busy, so we did the checklist and were ready to look out for any traffic, like here.
Traffic.
Yep. Looking.
traffic. 12 o'clock. Same altitude.
Up.
1 mile.
100 feet. Go to the right.
Storage, I'm flying here, number 1, Lewis Kira.
Same altitude. Traffic inside. Oh yeah, got him. Perfect.
And Oscar Echo Foxtrot Golf Zulu, maintaining 4,400 feet now, inbound November. And Oscar Echo Foxtrot Golf Zulu, we are 10 nautical miles north from the airfield, point November.
And Oscar Echo Foxtrot Golf Zulu, I'm going to what is your altitude, sir?
Right now maintaining 4,400.
And Oscar Fox caution, Oscar Golf Zulu, clearing about 4,600 feet, QNH 1029, put right down into runway 29.
Maintaining 4,600, cleared inbound, and we'll call you, confirm, right downwind, runway 29, Oscar Zulu.
And Oscar Golf Zulu, what is your passengers on board and fuel endurance?
Fuel endurance right now is 2 hours, 30 persons on board 2.
So next is a left turn, yeah? Yeah. To join the downwind, yeah. Direct runway 29er.
East of November 1 highway.
OVS.
Pavoski Romeo descend as quad control approach on 29.
Pavoski Romeo descend, the guys are required, continue approach for runway 29er. Oscar Echo Foxtrot Golf Zulu is turning right hand downwind 29er. Oscar Golf Zulu.
Caution Oscar Golf Zulu, report ready for base.
Call you ready base, Oscar Zulu.
Okay, low the wing for a second. Okay, you see the runway? Yeah, perfect.
Golf Zulu, report for approach runway 29 number 3, following Technam Echo, just east of the inland highway on final approach.
We have the traffic here, so I'm gonna...
we look out for the traffic and we call you when turning final, Oscar Golf Zulu.
I don't have him. Me neither. There is one on landing, that's this one. There, another one.
East of N1 highway.
Yeah, that's this one. Okay, we turn in behind him, okay? Okay, I'm just gonna do gear down now, okay? So we don't get too far. Speed check, gear down.
Oscar Zulu, we got the traffic on final inside and we will follow behind.
Thank you, number 2 Golf Zulu.
Great.
Number 2 Golf Zulu.
Since this will be the last landing of this trip, it's time to rewind this adventure. We flew around 5,000 nautical miles, landed in 8 countries and had an airtime of 31 hours and 23 minutes. This was Austria to South Africa in the DA62.
Oscar, stand by.
Oscar Golf Zulu, short final 29er.
Oscar Golf Zulu, can you break off to the right? Keep it tight, land to runway 24, so you turn right now, left base land 24.
Right and landing on runway 24, Oscar Golf Zulu.
Thank you, and Oscar Golf Zulu, runway 24, you are clear to land, wind 240 degrees, 10 knots.
Clear to land, runway 24, Oscar Golf Zulu.
29 number 1.
Oscar 10 November.
Okay, 24.
Charlie Zulu, make your position. Mike Kilo Yankee descend now to 5,100 feet.
Say again for Mike Kilo Yankee.
Mike Kilo Yankee descend to 5,100 feet.
Descend to 2,500 feet, Mike Kilo Yankee.
Hey, Mike Kilo Yankee, yes again, 5,100 feet.
5,100 feet, Mike Kilo Yankee.
Papa Whiskey Romeo, ground 120.6.
120.6, Papa Whiskey Romeo.
Ferry flight completed.
Oscar Golf Zulu, continue at ground 120.6, Gray.
26, Oscar Golf Zulu, thank you.
But before we end, I have to congratulate Luis to his first long ferry flight. Mate, you learned a lot and improved a lot during this trip. I am very proud that I could introduce you to the ferry flight world. And guys, by the time you see this, Luis has also completed his first North Atlantic crossing, which I could be part of.
Okay, pocket brake is set.
For one last time, we say thank you for watching and hope that you enjoyed our video series flying the DA62 from Austria to South Africa.
Welcome to Wonderboom, South Africa.
lady.